If you want to check your SASSA SRD R350 status online, but you are confused about where to start, this video will show you the exact process, step by step, using your phone. I will also explain what common status results actually mean, including pending, approved, declined, and bank details pending. So by the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do next, without guessing or wasting time on fake information online. Before you check your SASSA SRD status, make sure you have your South African ID number and the cell phone number you used when applying for the grant. This is very important because the system uses those details to find your application. Also, make sure you have internet access and open your browser, preferably Google Chrome on your Android phone or iPhone, because the website usually works better there than on older browsers. Now open your browser and type srd.sassa.gov.za carefully into the address bar. Make sure you are using the official website only, because there are many fake websites pretending to help people with SASSA grants. Once the website opens, scroll down slowly until you see the section that says Check Online Status or Application Status. This is where you will begin checking the progress of your SRD R350 application online. Once you are on the status check page, enter your South African ID number exactly as it appears on your ID document. After that, enter the cell phone number you used during your original SRD application. Double-check both numbers before continuing, because even one wrong digit can stop the system from finding your application. When everything is correct, click the Submit or Check Status button and wait a few seconds for your application results to load on the screen. One of the most common results people see is pending. If your SASSA status says pending, it usually means your application is still being reviewed and SASSA has not made a final decision yet. Many people panic when they see this, but pending does not automatically mean rejected. In most cases, you simply need to wait while SASSA verifies your information with other government systems, including income checks, identity verification, and banking verification processes. Another common result is approved. If your application says approved, that means SASSA accepted your SRD grant application for that period. However, approved does not always mean payment will happen immediately on the same day. Sometimes you still need to wait for a payment date or banking verification to finish first. If you see approved, but there is no payment date yet, keep checking your status regularly because the payment information is usually updated later, after processing is completed. If your status says declined, do not panic because you still have options available. SASSA usually gives a reason for the decline, such as alternative income source identified, UIF registered, or identity verification failed. Read the reason carefully because it tells you what problem was found during verification. If you believe the decision is incorrect, you can submit an appeal through the official SRD website. I will also make a separate full video showing exactly how to submit a successful SASSA appeal, step by step. Some people see bank details pending on their application. This means SASSA still needs your banking information before payment can be processed. To fix this, go back to the SRD website and look for the banking details section. Enter your bank account carefully and make sure the account is registered in your own name, because SASSA normally rejects bank accounts belonging to another person. After submitting your banking details, wait for verification before expecting payment dates to appear. If your status says identity verification or referred, it usually means SASSA needs to confirm your personal details before continuing with your application. This can happen if there are differences between your information and Home Affairs records. Make sure your ID number and cell phone details are correct, and follow any instructions shown on the website. Sometimes SASSA may ask for biometric verification, so always read the instructions carefully instead of ignoring them or submitting random information repeatedly. One mistake many people make is using the wrong cell phone number during status checks. Always use the same number you used when applying for the SRD grant, because using another number may cause errors or failed searches. Another common mistake is entering incorrect banking details or using another person's account. Also, avoid paying anyone who promises faster approval, because SASSA applications and status checks are completely free through the official website, and nobody can legally guarantee approval. If the website is slow or not opening properly, do not panic immediately. Sometimes the SRD website experiences high traffic because millions of South Africans use it at the same time. Try refreshing the page, switching to mobile data, or trying again later during quieter hours such as early morning or late evening. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, because weak connections can interrupt the process and cause the website to freeze or fail during status checks. I hope this video helped you understand exactly how to check your SASSA SRD R350 status online step-by-step using your phone. If you still have questions, comment below and explain the exact status message you are seeing so I can help you or create another detailed guide. Also, subscribe because my next videos will cover SASSA appeals, banking details updates, approved but unpaid problems, and other important SRD issues affecting many South Africans right now.